In this lesson, we'll explore the benefits of performance management with DBArtisan XE. You'll learn how to monitor sessions and how to carry out advanced client-side performance monitoring. DBArtisan XE offers a number of different options to help you manage the performance of your database. First, let's take a look at DBArtisan XE's Database Monitor. For this demo, we'll go into our Oracle data source. Once we're connected, we'll go up to the Utilities option and select Database Monitor. At this point, DBArtisan returns back all of the active and inactive processes on your database. We can get an overview of the processes. With the data that's returned, sliding to your right, we can see that the program, here we have a SQL Plus connection as well as a DBArtisan XE connection. Here we can look at the locks. We have a lock here on the user. We can look at the blocking locks all the way through. Look at the library. And finally, we can look at top 20 SQL as well as wait events. So if we go back to the beginning and look at all of our processes, we do have the ability within DBArtisan to go ahead and kill any sessions that are active. So here we have an active session. Simply right click, highlight kill, and we can kill process 155. As well as the database monitor, we also have an advanced real-time performance metrics with DBArtisan XE, and that is using DBArtisan's Performance Analyst found in the DBArtisan XE with Analyst pack. So this example, let's go to SQL Server. We're connected. We'll go to our Analyst tab and select Performance Analyst. And here we're presented with our home page. As it's pulling back the data, Performance Analyst is a real-time performance monitoring application. So this is going to start capturing information from the time we start to the time we close DBArtisan. No performance information will be captured while DBArtisan is not running, or for that matter, while Performance Analyst is not running. So let's take a look. We have our home. We have a memory. If we drop this down, we can see the different metrics. We can look at our home, buffer cache, procedure cache, as well as log cache. For the I/O, we have home again, the home page, system, user, database, and file I/O. Space, we can look at the file groups, the files, virtual log files, objects and server space, as well as information with regards to the databases, the users, the operating system, as well as looking at the top SQL. So if we'd like to drill into this a little bit more, we can take a look. We'll go to our space. We'll look at the home. And here we can see the information pertaining to the databases. We can look at our bottleneck analysis. We have databases on the same disk as log. We have 13, and that is highlighted in red. Performance Analyst does allow us to configure alerts and alarms, and those are configured via the options. We can set those up. We can look at all the alarms that are currently being active. Database on the same disk as the log, which we saw just a little bit ago. So go back to the space home page. And look, if we right click on that, we can look at the details. And this pulls us into our database detail tab. We can look at information regarding the size analysis, the object and the user analysis. We can look at the error log, the SQL agent, the backups, the configuration, replication, and objects tab. So a lot of information, a lot more advanced information is found within Performance Analyst. Again, Performance Analyst is part of the Analyst pack, and that's available for SQL Server, as we've seen here, Oracle, DB2, and Sybase.